Hello everyone. Wrap the scarf around the neck and now twist one over the other as such and bring it through the top. Bring it back through the loop that is present as well, that is the other side of it. Arrange it in the center. Next, take a brooch and now bring both of the ends through this brooch as such. Pull it out through the side in order to make the bow shape. And now start off by using the brooch and put it at the back, that is put both the ends at the back. Next, take the scarf, tie a knot around, make it a single knot, pull both the ends through the loop you have created. If you pull it over on one end more so, you may arrange it on one of the sides. Take a brooch and now put one end of your scarf through it. Arrange it in the center and now pull both of the ends through and now push the sides down. Take your scarf, wrap it around the neck as such, and after this loosen one of the sides. Twist it, make a loop and pull both of the ends through. Before you pull the second end, however, pull it through, make a loop in the center. Next, take your scarf, wrap one end around the hand after wrapping it around the neck and pull the other end through the loop you've created. Wrap the scarf around the neck, make a loop out of it, pull one end of it through and set it in. Next, take your scarf and now make multiple folds out of it, wrap it around the neck. Afterwards, make a knot out of it and now arrange it in place. Thank you for watching.